Hi everybody. For this experiment we're going to use our typical friends for science that we like, some baking soda and some white vinegar. So yes, that does make some pretty cool volcanoes, but what you might not have known also is a few details about the gas that's formed by the reaction of our baking soda with the acetic acid. Okay, sodium bicarbonate. I always like to put food coloring drops in just because that makes it more fun. So what we have here is a lit candle, and that is a lit candle. They're both burning the oxygen right now that's in our air, which is primarily nitrogen, but they are using the oxygen in the air and the fuel from the wax in what's called a combustion reaction. So the oxygen and the fuel is being converted to heat, light, carbon dioxide, and some water vapor. Okay, those are our waste products that we can't really see at this point in time. One way you can tell that carbon dioxide is released from our baking soda and vinegar also is as follows. Let's check it out. Look at that. Okay, our candle that was close to the baking soda and vinegar was put out by the carbon dioxide because it needs oxygen to burn, and if you don't have that, it's extinguished. Okay, and this one's our controlled variable. Nothing happened here. So our manipulated variable was adding the baking soda and vinegar to get the carbon dioxide to change which air source is being provided to the candle, and then after that our responding variable was that the candle went out. Okay, what else we can do is we can see how the volume changes when gases are produced. So this one is a balloon with some baking soda inside, and also in here I put in some, I probably need more food coloring, put in some vinegar. Okay, and the idea is to see that with chemical reaction we might have different substances produced. Whew, that surprised me. Ah, there it goes. Okay, it's producing a lot of carbon dioxide gas, and even some of the bubbles are going up into the balloon. It's going to make a pretty big mess. I think I have to turn that off.